Hello and welcome everyone to Bottom Line. This is Neha Tiwari. Let's have a quick look over the updates. FMC Corporation launches novel herbicide for soybean crop and spray services for farmers in Madhya Pradesh. FMC, a leading agriculture science company, today announced the launch of drone spray services in the state of Madhya Pradesh in central India. The company also launched Galaxy NXT, a novel herbicide for soybean crops, one of the most cultivated crop in the state. VidyaBalan leads crusade against plastic pollution, recognize the urgency of situation. Renowned actress VidyaBalan has joined the forces with Bhamla Foundation to support their anti-single-use plastic initiative. The Bhamla Foundation, in collaboration with the United Nations Environment Programme and the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, has been dedicated to raising awareness about the environmental issues for many years. TechInvention, Lifecare and Regent IVD Resources collaborate on development and manufacturing of innovative diagnostic for global health. TechInvention Lifecare Private Limited, a Mumbai-based biotech startup, has entered into a strategic collaboration with Regent IVD Resources Private Limited, a Jaipur-based diagnostic-focused startup for development and manufacturing of comprehensive range of diagnostic. The portfolio would encompass the humans as well as veterinary segments for global supplies. Kundali Milan is a dream come true for me, says Subhash Raghuvanshi, who joins the cast of Shimaru Umang's upcoming show, as Anjali Shimaru Umang has created immense anticipation with their upcoming show, Kundali Milan, and now they have added another talent to their assembled cast. Actress Subhashi Raghuvanshi, known for her versatility acting skills, has joined the team of Kundali Milan. She will play the character of Anjali in the soon-to-be-launched show with her charm and skill. Subhashi is set to bring the depth and intrigue to Anjali, captivating audiences with her mesmerizing performance. So these are the updates from the Bottom Line. Thank you for watching Triple.com. Stay tuned with us.